Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the Explain Everything certificate in the Explain Everything app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Explain Everything app. Then go to the Learn section, which is on the right side, and at the Learn section you just have to scroll down a little bit below the quick tips, and from our blog section you will see the certification course. And here, as you can see, there are 2 courses available right now, but I think they are working on some more courses, and you just have to tap on the first one if you are just starting, and it's going to open up their web page where you can learn about this course and the certification process, and you can sign up right here. And if you complete this course, you will receive your Explain Everything certificate. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.